Well, hello and welcome to Herald TV's Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Now, on Sunday, the Congress came down heavy on the BJP government for denying entry for the media personas and persons at the IFI 52 opening at the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium in Bambolim. GPCC President Girish Chodankar said that today the fourth pillar of democracy has been insulted by this BJP government.
की तांणी जे मिडियाक फ्रीडम दिल्लें ते फ्रीडम प्रोटेक्ट करपाचे सुद्धा त्यांचे सध्या ध्यान उरलेलें ना. ज्या तरेन तांणी फोटो जर्नलिस्ट आनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडियाक इनॉग्रेशनाक एंट्री डिनाय केली, आनीक गोयच्या ह्या इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक हो गव्हर्नमेंट अपयशी ठरलेलो आसा की ऑफिशियल सेक्शनाक जी गोवन फिल्म्स दाखयतात आनी तांकां त्या स्किमीक इन्क्लूड करपाक, त्या स्किमीचो फायदो घेवपाक. सो ह्यो दोन दुखाच्यो गजाली आमचो जो गोंयचो आनी गोंयकारांचो एक अधिकार जो आसा, एक म्हणजे आमच्या गोंयच्या जर्नलिस्टांक जी एंट्री डिनाय करप, आनी आमचे जे फिल्म गोंयचे लोकल फिल्म्स जे असतात ते इंटरनॅशनल फिल्माक दाखयतात, तांकां जो फायनान्शियल मदत मेळटा ती डिनाय करप. ह्या दोन्ही घडणुकेचो गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी स्ट्रॉंगली निषेध करतात. आनीक मागतात आमी गोयच्या मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन तशेंच अनुराग ठाकुरा कडेन की आनीक ESGचो एक्चुअली येता आमच्या मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या अंडर, त्यांनी तमाम गोयच्या मिडियाची माफी मागची. तुम्ही हो फक्त मिडियाचोच न्ही तर गोंयकारांचो इन्सल्ट केल्लो आसा. आनी गेल्या कितलेच वर्सां म्हणजे 2012तल्यान जो इफी गोंयांत येतकर एक वेगळी बदल आमी काँग्रेस पक्षान केल्लो, तो सगळे गोंयकारां खातीर ओपन करता, गोंयकारांक कितें तरी फायदो जावचो म्हणून.
Goa's Journalist Association on November 20th, that is Saturday, had protested outside the inaugural venue of the International Film Festival of India, IFI, here as locals, photojournalists and members of the electronic media were allegedly not allowed to enter. One of the senior media officers said that the local media persons, especially the photojournalists and electronic medias, were not allowed to cover the function. The journalists lined up their cameras on the main road outside the venue as a mark of their protest. However, soon later, sometime they were allowed to cover the event.
आम्ही गोवा युनियन ऑफ जर्नलिस्ट तसेच फोटो जर्नलिस्ट असोसिएशन आणि तसेच इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया असोसिएशन ह्यो तिनूय संघटना आमी एक जावन हांगा प्रोटेस्ट करपाक जमल्या. प्रोटेस्ट इतल्याकूच लागून की आयज 52nd इफीचें इनॉग्रेशन जाता आनी इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दीस इव्हेंट म्हाका दिसता हें आमी 18वें वर्स गोंयांत मनयता. आनी अशें केन्नाच जावं ना की इफीचे इनॉग्रल रायट्स कोणाक तरी एका प्रायवेट कंपनीक दिता, कवरेज रायट्स. म्हणजे आमी इतलीं वर्सां हांगा कवरतात, सगळ्यांनी कवरेज केल्ली आसा. एक इमोशनल टच खंय तरी आसा आमचो ह्या इव्हेंटा कडेन. आनी आयज फर्स्ट टायम इन द हिस्ट्री सेंट्रल मिनिस्ट्रीन हे सगळे कवरेज जे ब्रॉडकास्टींग रायट्स आसा ते काडून एका प्रायवेट फर्माक दिल्ले आसा. आनी हेजो आमी निशेध करता, हायली निशेध करता. कशें आसा, सदांच रेव्हेन्यूचें तोंड पळोवप हें चुकीचें. इव्हेंटूय पळोवप व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. म्हणजे इव्हेंटाची एक सँक्टिटी आसता, तेजो रिस्पेक्ट आसा. हो इतलो हिस्टॉरीक इव्हेंट आसा. इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया इज हायली रिस्पेक्टेड आनी प्रेस्टिजियस इव्हेंट ऑफ अ कंट्री. आनी हो इतलीं वर्सां फक्त मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टींग हेंच्या अंडर चलतालो इन कोलॅबोरेशन विथ PIB आनी जे स्टेट एजन्सीज आहा त्यो. हे आमचे म्हणजे आतां गोंयांत पळयत जाल्यार गोवा गव्हर्मेंट हॅज स्पेंड नियरली 18 crores. तशेंच सेंट्रल मिनिस्ट्री अरावंड लेस दॅन 10 crores अशें कितें तरी. आनी इतलें जेन्ना तुमी इन्वेस्ट करता, सगळो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमचो आसा, सगळें आमचें आसा. ओके सगळे जेन्ना गोंयान घडटा सगळें आता तुम्ही लोकल मिडिया हाऊ कॅन यू डिनाय एंट्री टू कवर दिस इनॉग्रल सेरेमनी ऑफ इफी म्हणजे दिस इज टोटली रॉंग. आणि आमी सगळ्यां कडेन उलयल्या सगळ्यांचें हेच मत आसा की जें कितें जालां आयज तें कंप्लिटली चुकीचें आसा. आनी हांव इतलेंच आमी जेन्ना सीएमाक आमचें एक डेलिगेशन सीएमाक मेळपाक गेल्ले तेन्ना सीएम म्हणपाक लागलो की ही इज अनअवेअर म्हणजे कोण सीएमाकूच खबर ना कळ्ळें तुका. सो आमी म्हटलें सीएम तुमी मातशें प्लीज इंटरमेन आनी पळया कितें तें म्हणजे अशें केन्ना सांगना की सगळे फोटो जर्नलिस्ट भायर आसा आयज जे सदांच भितर आसताले कोण रेड कार्पेट सगळे आसताले हे सगळे आयज भायर आसा आमी न्हू. तर ताका लागून हांव सीएमाक आतां हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता थ्रू इज गूड ऑफीस प्लीज इंटरमेन कित्याक वी कॅनॉट फायट विथ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग थंय आमी सेंट्रलाक वी कॅनॉट डू. आमचो कोण करतो धरतो तो आमचो सीएम आसा. सो सीएम आमी सगळें कितें आहा तें आमचो सीएम. सो सीएमाक आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता की तुम्ही पर्सनली हितून लक्ष घालचें इंटरवेन करचें आनी जें सिट्युएशन आयज आमी हांगा आसा पळयता ते सगळे जर्नलिस्टांक तुमी क्लोजींग सेरेमनीक सगळे भितर आसतले हें आमकां तुमी आश्वासन दिवचें इतलेंच सांगता हांव.
Later in the same press conference, GPCC President Girish Chodankar said that the first list of Goa Congress candidates for the upcoming Goa Assembly polls will be announced definitely by the first week of December or the end of November. Watch.
जो लोकांक दिसताला गोंयच्या लोकांक की ह्या फावटी टिकेटी बेगीन डिक्लेअर जावच्यो टिकेट्यो बेगीन डिक्लेअर जावच्यो जाल्यार त्याच्या खातीर पयलीं म्हणजे प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटीची स्थापना करपाची गरजेची आसता. प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटी बरोबर स्क्रीनिंग कमिटी गरजेची आसता कारण आमचो प्रोसेस आता स्टार्ट जातलो इमिजिएटली शॉर्टलिस्टिंग ऑफ कॅन्डिडेट्स. त्याच्या नंतर ती गोंयांत हायेस्ट बॉडी म्हणजे प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटी. प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटी ती प्रोसेस करतली नावां शॉर्टलिस्ट करतली त्याच्या नंतर स्क्रीनिंग कमिटीक धाडटली. स्क्रीनिंग कमिटी त्या प्रत्येक कॅन्डिडेटाचेर अभ्यास करतली जी प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटीन प्रपोज केल्ली आसा आनी तेजेर खंय पॉलिटिकली जावं बाकीचे लिगल एंगलांतल्यान सगळे हितूंतल्यान ती स्क्रुटिनी जातली. त्याच्या नंतर ती नावां सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिटी पळयतली आनी थंयच्यान फायनल अनाउन्समेंट हो जातलो. सो ह्यो दोनी इज अ वेलकमिंग सायन दॅट द कॉमन सेंटिमेंट ऑफ पीपल ऑफ गोवा अँड आवर कॅडर इज दॅट यू डिक्लेअर द टिकेट्स अर्ली. So this will facilitate to fulfill the common aspiration of the people of Goa to have early declaration of candidates.
नोव्हेंबर सप्ताहामध्ये जातले कॅन्डिडेट
माझ्या मतान ज्या तरेन प्रोसेसान स्पीड घेतलेली आसा त्या कोतान नोव्हेंबर एंड और फर्स्ट वीक पर्यंत जावपाक शक्यता आसा. एक लिस्ट तरी ब्लॉकान अभ्यास करचो सारको आनी ब्लॉकान डिसायड करचे की कॅन्डिडेट खंयचे हाडचे. सो बाय एंड लार्ज we will go by what blocks are recommending.
म्हणजे जे उमेदवार ठरले ते ब्लॉकान रिकमेंड केलं तेतूंतलो आसतलो.
By and large, the block recommendations will have more weightage.
There could be exception.
By and large, I am saying that the blocks will have more weightage.
Okay.
Names recommended by blocks will have more weightage.
की बीजेपी तुम्ही एक पाऊल घरात हाडटले म्हणटा पण इलेक्शन तुमची स्ट्रॅटेजी पारंपारीक अशी आसा तुम्ही कितें वेगळे पाऊल घेवपाक शकता लोकां मुखार कितें पर्याय फॉर एग्जांपल सीएम कॅन्डिडेट पयली डिक्लेअर करप अशें कितें काँग्रेस स्टॅप घेवपाक शकता.
तेका ऍड करता ऍड करता की लास्ट टाइम तुम्ही पयली डिक्लेअर करून आसले म्हणून लास्ट टाइम सुद्धा तुम्ही सीएम कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर करून आसले
अशें तुका दिसता की लास्ट टाइम सीएम कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केलो नाशिल्लो म्हणून घोळ जालो. बीजेपीन मनोहर पर्रीकराक चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून अनाउन्स केलो. म्हाज्या मतान तुका याद आसतली हे काय तूं विसरला खबर. ओके पूण तेंचे 13 येयले तेंचे सीएम फेस डिक्लेअर करून 13 क्रॉस जालना म्हणजे काँग्रेसीचे सिटां क्रॉस जालना. आम आदमी पार्टीन तेंचो सीएम कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केल्लो म्हणून म्हाका दिसना तेंची 17 क्रॉस जाल्ली अशी म्हणून. म्हाजे यादी प्रमाणे
बीजेपी डिक्लेअर करू ना देशात there could be a change. आता असं there could be a change. Mr. Gadkari was on record.
Nitin Gadkari came down to Goa. The sitting chief ministers पोस्टरावलो फोटो गायब जालो आणि त्याच्यानंतर इलेक्शन सारखे लागीं पावतकर Nitin Gadkari is on record.
There could be a change.
There could be change, and Manohar Parrikar is our.
दुसऱ्यांचे कितें उलया तुमचे सांग
हांव तुमकां करेक्ट करतलो की मुख्यमंत्री फेस नाशिल्ल्या काँग्रेस पक्षाक गेले त्या विधानसभेक सगळ्यांत चड सिटां मेळ्ळी हें तुमकां याद करून दिवपाक.
जर तो आशिल्लो जाल्यार चड आनी मेळपाक शकना
जेंचो आशिल्लो तेंचो कितें जालें तें पयलें
So तुमका दिसता तुमका सीएम कॅन्डिडेट सीएम काय सीएलपी डिक्लेअर करता.
सी बेसिकली मुख्यमंत्री कोण इलेक्ट करता? मुख्यमंत्री कॉन्स्टिट्युशना प्रमाणे कोण इलेक्ट करता? इलेक्ट जाले एमएलए. आमकां खबर ना ते एमएलए कोण आसतले. म्हाका खबर ना, तुमकां खबर आसतले. म्हाका तरी खबर ना ते मुखारले एमएलएच कोण आसतले. सो मुखारले एमएलएच कोण आसतले आनी त्यांचो अधिकार हांव कसो काढून घेतलो आनी आमी पयलींच डिसायड करतले. जे आमचे वूड बी एमएलएज त्यांचो अधिकार की बाबा मुख्यमंत्री तेणी निवडून काडप आसता. सो त्यांचो अधिकार हांव आमची पक्ष कसो काढून घेतली.
Now, there was a heated discussion on the haphazard developmental works, underground cabling, digging of roads, etc. during the Kortalim Gram Sabha meeting on Sunday morning. Issues from the material recovery facility as Holland, Panchayat places development proposals for 15th Commission, Finance Commission funds are also the part of the heated argument. While the residents of Holland questioned the Panchayat about the football ground, the Kortalim Gram Sabha members raised queries on the market complex policies. There was a heated discussion between the Kortalim MLA Alina Saldana and Gram Sabha members.
Gram Sabha, we confirmed to the people who raised these objections that this was a dry garbage shed. Some were under the impression that maybe it would be used for wet waste. The Sarpanch and the Panchayat body confirmed their doubts and said that this was only a dry garbage shed. And we have then, since some of them were still insistent on raising objections, the Panchayat body asked them to give these objections in writing, and our Gram Sabha have then decided that these objections will then be, along with the signatures of all those who are objectioning, and their mobile numbers will be then presented to the High Court. Instructed all the Panchayats to construct an MRF of 150 square meters within their jurisdiction. Our Panchayat already has an existing MRF which is of 33 square meters, which is running very well, but because of the increase in the number of residents that are coming up in our area, especially in the Isorsi village, where we have a new subdivision coming up, which is almost going to have more than 100 plots. And we felt, the Panchayat felt that the proposal and the project for the new MRF of 150 square meters should be built in that area to help maintain the garbage management of the newly constructed houses. Now this area also comes under the naval and airfield management. So as part of the airfield management committee, it is our responsibility to ensure that we do not have garbage strewn along the roads, and it is in this endeavour that we decided to put this MRF within that survey numbers 11 bar 45, 46, 47 and 48.
इसोरची रेजिडेंट आहाय त्यांनी थोडे ऑब्जेक्ट केला म्हळ्यार तांकां आम सांगिलां की तुमगे proposal कितें ऑब्जेक्शन आहाय ती बरो इन दी विथ their signatures and phone numbers. We will take the signatures and phone numbers and produce to the High Court, because ये MRF बांधपा High Court आगे ऑर्डर आहा each and every पंचायत.
लोकांनी ते थोडे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट नाका म्हणले ते कितें सांगू शकता?
मेगा प्रोजेक्ट लोक नाक म्हणटाय ते आमचे अंडर न्हय. इट इज TCP हू इज पासींग द प्लॅन्स एंड सगळे डिपार्टमेंटां भोंवले म्हणटरी लास्ट ते पंचायतीक येताय.
जे आमचे हॉलान इसोरसीमान आयज आमच्या भुरग्यांक एक धाकटो प्ले ग्रावंड ना. म्हणजे कितें आयज आमचें सरकार म्हणटा सरकार तुमी दारी आनी CM ट्रॉफी अनावन्स केल्ली आसा, पूण आमचे भुरगे खेळटले खंय? रस्त्यार? हो व्हडलो सगळ्यांक क्वेश्चन मार्क पडटा. आयज भुरगे आमचे रस्त्यार खेळटा, सर्वीस रोडार खेळटा, रिंगांनी खेळटा. आयज भुरग्यांक व्हॉलीबॉल खेळपाक कितें ना, एक बारीक स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स बारीकसो एक स्पोर्ट्स ग्रावंड म्हणटा तें ना, एक बारीक स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स ना, कितेंच ना आमच्या गांवांत. आमच्या थोडे दीस आमी शेतां भाटां सगळीं काबार जाल्लीं आसा. आयज आमकां दिसता की आमी शेतां भाटां करपाक जाय, पूण आमच्या शेतांनी उदक वचपाक कॅनल ना. दुसरें म्हणजे आमचे थोडे सर्वीस रोडान थोडे ब्रीज आसा, ते ब्रीज सुद्दां मोडलेले आसा. केन्ना एनी टायम कॅज्युअलिटी जावपाक शकता. आयज आमच्या पंचायतीन आमच्या गांवान रस्त्या वाठाडी उदक नाला बांदलेले आसा तेंचेर आतां पेवर्स घालपाक जाय. थोड्या जाग्यांचेर तेणें पेवर्स बी घातलेले ना कित्याक तो थोडे जे टर्न मारतात पळय आमच्या गाडी ते वेरी इट्स एक्सिडेंटल प्रोन झोन ते थंय जर आमी ते पेवर्स घालना इट कॅन बी अ कॅज्युअलिटी एनी टायम. ह्या प्रोजेक्ट येवन आमच्या गांवाचे गांव काबार जाल्ले आसा. आयज आमच्या गांवान फक्त आहा 80-70 घरां आसा. हे प्रोजेक्ट जर येयले आमच्या गांवान जर आयज एक अपार्टमेंट कमी 40-50 फ्लॅटां आसता. एक फ्लॅट इंटू 2 कर कितले जाले थंय 200 लोक जाय 100 लोक जाले. अशें जर आमी प्रोजेक्ट्स मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स हाडीत तर आमच्या गांवान पयलीं उदक मेळना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गार्बेज जाय व्हडलो वन ऑफ द बीग इशू. आयज आमच्या सरकारा कडेन आमचो सादो गार्बेज इशू जो हँडल करपाक ना म्हाका दिसता फुडें आनी कितें हँडल करूं शकतले ते गार्बेज इशू हँडल जावपाचो ना. सो तेच म्हणटा हे तरीकेन म्हणटा की आमकां हे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स हे आमच्या गांवान नाका बिकॉज आमचो गांव आमकां सांबाळपाक जाय. आमकां गांव असो उरपाक जाय.
तुम्ही पंचायतीक कितें सांगलां?
पंचायती हांवें म्हाजो व्यू मांडला. आमी ताका पयलीं सांगलें आमकां प्लेग्रावंड जाय मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स नाका बोरवेल्स नाका बिकॉज आयज हे बोरवेल्स इल्लिगली बोरवेल्स काडून आमची झोरी बिरो सगळ्यो ड्राय जाल्ली आसा.
Now, the State Industries Association of Goa has alleged that despite of they being highest contributors to the state GDP, the government of Goa has neglected them and have failed to resolve their issues. The GSIA president Damodar Kochkar said that the condition of the roads in the industrial estate is very pathetic, even though the state chief minister had promised to make all Goan roads pothole free.
What I basically say that now, as I also mentioned in the news this release, that the situation I met MD, their situation is that they don't have money right now. I mean they are having shortage even to cut the bushes. They were suggesting us that you help us out in cutting the bushes. So they are only worried about their salary right now, and they are somehow trying to extract money from us by sending notices to various people that your land will be taken back, you pay so much penalty if the construction is not done within. So various reasons are given, and you have been asked to pay a certain amount. So entire industry is like fed up with this kind of attitude of the government. So we hope that government takes up the consensus about what we are asking, and at least support us with the basic infrastructure like the road conditions, street lights in the industrial estate. Actually, we were very happy when CM announced that all Goa roads will be without khatte. You have heard. So we were hoping that our industrial roads also will be like that. And to our surprise, the 1st November went, and we were having all industrial estate with the potholes. So we checked with IDC what you all are doing. You have any instruction from government? So they said we don't have. It is only the PWD. So then I came to know what is a gimmick like. It is a voter bank politics, So industry is like our treatment is like like a stepmother. They need us only when they need fund or some CSR activity and all. But otherwise, how we are operating in this kind of situation, you can see behind me, the road condition even in this prime industrial estate is very bad. Forget about Korelim and all. Korelim, Pune industrial estate is totally gone. Thivim. So everybody is complaining now. So this is the status of our this industrial estate.
Now, the Congress party came down heavy on the Murugao Municipal Council and the government for not paying the MMC salaries on time. Congress worker Elvis Gomes demanded immediate payment of the salaries, while the MMC chairperson Damodar Kaskar says salaries to daily wage workers are paid along with the allowance and the bonus. He added also that the salary grants are cleared and the salaries will be paid this week.
It is an artificially man-made issue because of the failure of this BJP government. I'll tell you why. Last time also they went on strike. They struck work for almost 3-4 days. I had joined them in that. I had made it very clear की सॅलरी ना म्हणटा तो इश्यू येवंकूच जायना आनी तांचे उजीरच हांवें सीएमाक फोन करून सांगलें तुमी पयले सरकाराचे पळय आहा ते पयले सॅलरी घेवपाचें बंद करा. सरकाराचे जे आहा ते म्हयनो सोंपलो की आपली सॅलरी घेता आनी गरिबांक हांगा सोंतयता. कसलो प्रॉब्लेम हो हांगा. आतां सॅलरी म्हणल्यार एकूच उदाहरण दिता. वॉट अबाउट डॉक्टर. आज वास्को म्युनिसिपालिटीन वास्को मोर्मुगांव येदी व्हडले म्युन्सिपाल्टीन मॅक्सिमम पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स जो आसा ताजेर ऑक्ट्रॉय आसा तो सेल जाता. हो ऑक्ट्रॉय व्हरता आनी सरकार आपल्या कडेन दवरता. टायम टू टायम तो ऑक्ट्रॉय रिलीज जावपाक जाय हांगा म्युन्सिपाल्टीन. हो एक ऑक्ट्रॉय जर टायम टू टायम धाडलो जाल्यार हे चडशे प्रॉब्लेम उरोकूच जायना. हे तांचे हक्काचे पयशे, म्युन्सिपाल्टीचे हक्काचे पयशे. वाय इज द गव्हर्मेंट किपींग इट वीथ इट सेल्फ? हो क्वेश्चन हो व्हडलो पयलो आन्सर जावपाक जाय. आनी आय एम व्हेरी म्हणजे डिसअपॉयंटेड. हो जो मिनिस्टर आसा, अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टर जो आसा, हू इज इनचार्ज ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव इनचार्ज ऑफ द म्युन्सिपाल्टीज, ही इज फ्रॉम दीस कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. तो कितें करता हें घेवन?
ताका भितरलें कितें खबरूच ना कशें दिसता म्हाका. कित्याक आमी आमच्या म्युन्सिपाल्टीचे वर्कर्स आहा, डेली वेजीस वर्कर आहा, तांकां आमी पेमेंट दिल्लो आहा. प्लस आमचे जे सगळे स्टाफ आनी वर्कर्स आहा तांकां बोनस दिल्लो आसा आमी. प्लस तांकां आमी युनिफॉर्म एलावन्सूय घातलेलो आहा. इतलें आसून तांकां आमी आनी हे एश्युरन्स दिल्लो की पेमेंट ह्या म्हयन्या भितर खंय तरी जातलो म्हणून. इतले एश्युरन्स दिल्लो आनी तो पेमेंट जातलो आहा थोड्या दिसांनी.
तुमी कितें फायल्स बीन कितें क्लियर जाली तुमची अशी?
फायल ह्या शुक्राराक क्लियर जाले. शेनवार आयतार येयला म्हणून फायल रावल्या ती. नेक्स्ट विकान पेमेंट जातलो.
And now for some sports news, that the all Indian football fans and across the world have seen interesting football in India in the new season of the Indian Super League 2021-22 season. Now, Goa has already hosted 3 matches and the fans and football lovers have witnessed heavy rainfall with showers of goals already at the beginning. While tomorrow, that's Monday, one of the most awaited rivalry match is all set to kick off at the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Fatorda, Goa, wherein Mumbai City FC will clash against the gods of FC Goa. And here I will show you what the team officials, like the coaches and captains of both the teams, have to say on tomorrow's match.
My point of view, more or less, is a group city. The head coach now is thinking in the same way like ex-coach. Thinking they are working more or less in the same style. Now the team, except Hugo Lefondre, I think they have the same squad. Of course, with Apuya helping like a midfielder. But my point of view, more or less, is the same style. Of course, change some details because every coach is different. But my point of view, tomorrow the game is.
So you talked about a few of Mumbai City's players. So another player that could play tomorrow is Igor Angulo, who played for you last season. So what are your thoughts on him, and how do you plan to replace the number of goals that he scored last season?
No, I'm thinking. Okay, we know Igor is the last season. Everybody can. Maybe everybody knows him. Is good number 9. He do inside the box is efficiency 100%. But for us, our plan is to work like a team. Of course, I think it's put attention not only in Igor. I think it's very important to put attention in all the rest of the players because Mumbai has very good squad. All the respect for all this club, all this team, because at the moment they are the champions, and it's very important we work like a team. I trust in my team 100%. I trust in my squad, and I'm very happy because they are working so hard in pre-season and they are ready to play tomorrow.
My question to you is that after ATK Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, these are the biggest rivals. So tomorrow also is one of the biggest, another big rivalry match. So how do you take this match and what do you think will be the results?
I repeat the same question. We have to think in ourselves. Don't think in the rival. If it's Mumbai, if it's Bengal, if it's ATK. I know the last years, maybe last year, our rival was Mumbai because some players and staff moved from FC Goa, but we don't think in these things. We have to think in the game and in our game.
So the 2 games that we've had so far in the ISL season have been very high scoring, and before this season started, the rules or the composition of the 11 was changed to have one extra Indian player in the team. So do you think these two are related, or what are your general thoughts on having more Indian players in the playing 11?
Yeah, good afternoon to all of you. Firstly, yeah, I've watched the first two games, and I think it's always interesting. The first game of anyone's season they've both been high scoring, and it's been exciting to watch. Whether or not that's related to a change in Indian players or rules, I wouldn't say so. I think it's just teams being probably a bit more comfortable in themselves and wanting to go out and try and express their own playing styles and wanting to win games. And that's certainly something that's kept me very excited and interested in those two games.
And just moving on from that, your first game is against FC Goa. FC Goa's last game last season was against Mumbai City FC. So have you watched footage of that semi-final against FC Goa, and how have you prepared your team for this clash?
Yeah, we've watched a lot of footage, not just of Goa, but of course the league. The main focus though will be on us. We've got a playing group here. We've probably got about 80% of time we've spent focusing on us and our playing style and how we go about what we want to do, whilst also making sure that we are prepared as best as we can be for what we expect from Goa. So the work and the time has been spent on us, whilst also being respectful and being aware of the dangers that Goa do pose to us. In terms of how am I looking forward to the game, I'm very excited. This is my 19th season of coaching. Obviously my first in India, but I've been fortunate to work with some fantastic coaches and people around the world and experience different cultures and leagues. And this is obviously a new one for me, but one I'm very much looking forward to.
Yeah, that's great, coach. One more question. Are there any injuries or any injury concerns? Is the full squad available for selection for tomorrow?
At the moment, we're all clear. So we have everyone available to us, yes.
They started their pre-season quite early and they also won the Durand Cup. In contrast, you've been here for barely a month. Do you think that puts you and the team on the back foot for the game tomorrow?
I think we've done as much as we could have done in the time that we've had. I think anywhere in the world you'd like more time with players on and off the field, but we haven't had that. So what we've had to do is make very good use of the time we've had with this group. And again, we've spent, like I said, a lot of time on the field, but we've spent more time off the field, really working with this group of players to try and just add and build to the playing style from last year.
Yes, I think we have a good Indian quality players. So we work together in pre-season, in friendly games. And I think you have a player who can play this with me in defense easily, because we have good player and good quality of Indian players.
Well, my question to you is that tomorrow is said to be another big rivalry clash, that too against FC Goa. So how do you take this match on a personal note, and what do you feel will be the results?
Yeah, it's an important game, like every game, because tomorrow is start the season. So for us, we need to start very well, because it's the beginning of the season. So we take seriously every team the same, no big difference between SV Goa or another teams. So we need to be ready ourselves, same mentality for every game. Our job is to help the player with our experience, to help the young players. So this is the most important, themselves. So with more confidence, not like last season. So also they have good quality, so they need to learn about the coach, and I think if they do the job, it will be easy for them.
Heavy rainfall led to traffic jams along the highways in Goa. Traffic police were seen braving in the rainfall and directing traffic at the best of their abilities. Now, the heavy and continuous rainfall witnessed on Saturday led to massive traffic jams on major highways of the state. Well, with the tourist season underway and a surge of visitors, there was a traffic congestion on various points of Mapsa to Panjim highway, with the Porvorim road being worst affected. Whereas with the Pilar feast on Saturday, one arm of the Goa-Vella bypass towards Margao shut for traffic due to ongoing highway construction work. The old road from Goa-Vella to Agasai saw traffic stuck for more than hours. From the devotees to the locals, to the people going for weddings or just generally traveling in both the directions, there were extremely slow movements of traffic. Traffic police was seen braving the rainfall and directing the traffic to their best of their ability. Go to the side of entertainment and films. Now on Sunday, the list of selected films in Goan Premier and non-Premier selections were announced by the chairman of Entertainment Society of Goa, that is Subhash Desai. He also announced a list of 5 films selected in both the sections. Here are the highlights.
म्हणजे गोवन सेक्शन म्हणून एक आसता अँड वन इज फीचर फिल्म. आमची ज्युरी कमिटी आशिल्ली ती श्री S.V. राजेंद्र सिंग बाबू, who is a renowned filmmaker and an actor, who is the chairman of this jury committee. श्री प्रसंतानु महापात्रा, सिनेमॅटोग्राफर, हो एक मेंबर आसा. आनी तिसरो मेंबर श्री प्रमोद पवार, एक्टर एंड फिल्म मेकर. हो अशे 3 जाणांची ज्युरी कमिटीन हे रिजल्ट्स दिल्ले आसात. 8 लँग्वेज कोंकणी, प्रोड्युसर सुप्रज केरकर, डायरेक्टर ब्रिजेश काकोडकर, ड्युरेशन आसा 23 मिनटां 59 सेकंड. दुसरे लिमिट्स म्हणून नॉन फीचर फिल्म आसा. लँग्वेज आसा मराठी, प्रोड्युसर वर्धन कामत आनी डायरेक्टर वर्धन कामत, ड्युरेशन आसा 36 मिनिट्स. तिसरे जे नॉन फीचर फिल्म सिलेक्ट जाल्ले आसा तो कुपाचो दर्यो, लँग्वेज कोंकणी, प्रोड्युसर किशोर अर्जुन शिंदे एंड डायरेक्टर हिमांशु प्रमोद साळगांवकर, डायरेक्टर जितेंद्र शिकेरकर आनी ड्युरेशन आसा 2 वरां 13 मिनटां. हें फीचर फिल्म आसा, व्हडलें फिल्म. आनी नॉन प्रिमियर सेक्शनान भितर आनी एक सिलेक्ट जाल्लें आसा, तें स्पेशल स्क्रिनींग जातलें. तें पॉल 10 नॉन फीचर फिल्म, लँग्वेज आसा कोंकणी आनी रूपा रमेश रेवणकर हांणी प्रोड्यूस केल्लें आनी डायरेक्टर सुनील रेवणकर हांणी हें 19 मिनटाचें हें फीचर फिल्म स्पेशली स्क्रीन जातलें. आमचे जे ज्युरी कमिटी आसा तांणी थरली हाचेर विचार केल्लो आसा. फिल्मां परत परत तांणी पळोवन आमचे आपले जे डाउट्स आसात जावं बाकीचे कितें आसात, we've taken the feedback and we announce out of 8 films, 5 films will be screened in Goa. तो शेड्यूल जो आसा स्क्रीनिंग तो तांकां कळयतले. ह्या 2-3 दिसां भितर आसचें ना, पूण इमिडिएटली वी विल प्रिपेर अ शेड्यूल एंड वी विल let them know the timings for screening and which auditorium it is.
सर, काल तुमचे ओपनिंग जाले, कशें हें जालें, पावस पडलो, तुमचें कितें?
हय, ओपनिंगाच्या वेळार पावस पडलो. पावस हो गेले 15 दीस आसाच. आमची जेन्ना एजन्सीज ऑन बोर्ड घेतले आनी स्पेशली आमचे मेन डेकोर आसतले, स्ट्रीट डेकोर आसतले आनीक EMA म्हणजे इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट एजन्सी फॉर ओपनिंग अँड क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी. वी put up a very good show and lightning आसतले, इल्युमिनेशन आसतले, बाकीचे जे सौंदर्य करता आमी, सिटी ब्युटिफिकेशन करता, तातूंत खुबशे आडखळे आयले. आमी जी इन्स्टॉलेशन करपाक वता तो हेवी पावसांतल्यान ताचो डिस्कलर जाता, बाकीचे सगळ्यो. डिस्पायट ऑफ ऑल दीज ऑड यू कूड सी विदीन अ शॉर्ट स्पॅन ऑफ टायम. आमकां 15 दीस काडून आमी प्रत्येक जाग्याचेर आमची इन्स्टॉलेशन्स आसा ती केली अँड द इन्स्टॉलेशन्स आर व्हेरी स्टडी अँड
And now we end this bulletin with some of the glimpses of the day 2 happenings of IFFI 52.
And I am very excited to be in Goa. Always I come. This is my 4th time I'm coming.
Yes, I myself is an actor. You must have watched Munna by MBBS, Baman Irani. I am his cousin brother and acted with him on advertisements. Now recently I have acted with him in Ambuja Cement, Ferrari Ki Savari, and you must have watched. And now recent movies are also coming, Lovers, Rocket Boys and all. So I act in films. I am a small actor and I like to visit such that I am coming here for the first time.
So I am Ajay Kantule. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I have studied Masters in Media and Communication with specialization in direction.
How do you feel coming
to the 52nd edition?
Yeah, it's great to be here, and I am privileged that this time IFFI invited us in the program of 75 Creative Minds of Tomorrow. So that's why it is special this time.
आई एम ए डॉक्टर इन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज और मैं ईफ़ी हर साल आता हूँ और ईफ़ी बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे। एक्चुअली यहाँ क्या है ना, किसी भी एक्टर एक्ट्रेस को या डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर को आप डायरेक्टली मिल सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, उनसे कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं। ईफ़ी का मेन फ़ायदा यही है। और इस साल भी अच्छा है, पिछले साल भी अच्छा था, कोविड की वजह से थोड़ा पिछले साल प्रॉब्लम था, तो इस साल तो काफ़ी अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है।
So have you planned on watching any films?
हाँ, एक्चुअली आज मैं नहीं देख पाया था, मैं बिजी था, तो कल मैं मूवी देखूंगा। 21 का कोई मूवी है, उसको मुझे देखना है।
Well, that's all we have in today's evening news bulletin. Thank you for watching Herald TV.